Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on June 10th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Pangong langayate giri yat kripa tamaham vande Shri Gurum Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Shri Chaitanya Mishwaram. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today we will continue with the compilation of the Sri Krishna Chaitanya book. Today's chapter is entitled The Muslim Governor Chants the Holy Names and Renders Service to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, under the section The Lord's Attempt to Go to Vrindavan. CC Madhya 16.178.
আমাত্মের এই আনন্দ সংবাদ দান। মুসলিমের ছদ্ম হিন্দু বেশে প্রভু দর্শনার্থ আগমন। বিশ্বাস যাইয়া তাহারে সকল কহিল, হিন্দু বেশ ধরি সেই যবন আইল।
The secretary returned to the Muslim governor and informed him this news. Dressing himself like a Hindu, the Muslim governor then came to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. CC Madhya 16.179.
দূর হইতে প্রভু দেখি ভূমিতে পড়িয়া, দণ্ডবৎ করে অশ্রু পুলকিত হইয়া।
Upon seeing Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from a distant place, the Muslim governor fell to the ground and offered obeisances. Tears came from his eyes and he was jubilant with ecstatic emotions.
Such was the potency of Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
Such was the potency of Sri Krishna Chaitanya,
Simply from a distance, seeing him,
that simply from a distance, seeing him,
the Muslim governor felt ecstasy.
the Muslim governor felt ecstasy.
Tears came to his eyes.
Tears came through his eyes.
His hairs were standing on end.
His hairs were standing on end,
He was feeling jubilation.
and he was feeling jubilation. CC Madhya 16.180.
প্রভুর নিকটে আসিয়া মুসলিমের কৃষ্ণ নাম গ্রহণ। মহাপাত্র আনিল তারে করিয়া সম্মান, জোর হাতে প্রভু আগে লয় কৃষ্ণ নাম।
Arriving in that way, the Muslim governor was respectfully brought before Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by the Mahapatra. The governor then stood before the Lord with folded hands, and he chanted the holy name of
Krishna!
Krishna. CC Madhya 16.181.
স্বীয় মুসলিম জন্মে ধিক্কার ও নির্বোধোক্তি। অধম যবন কুলে কেনে জন্মাইলে, বিধি মোরে হিন্দু কুলে কেনে না জন্মাইলে।
The governor then submissively asked, "Why was I born in a Muslim family? This is considered a low birth. Why didn't the Supreme Providence grant me a birth in a Hindu family?" CC Madhya 16.182.
প্রভুর পদ প্রাপ্তি ব্যতীত মৃত্যু বাঞ্ছা, হিন্দু হইলে পাইতাম তোমার চরণ সান্নিধান। ব্যর্থ মোর এই দেহ যাউক পরাণ।
If I had taken birth in a Hindu family, it would have been easy for me to remain near your lotus feet. Since my body is now useless, let me die immediately. C.C. Madhya 16.183.
তাহার খেদুক্তি শ্রবণে রাজকর্মচারীরও প্রভুস্তুতি। এত শুনি মহাপাত্র আবিষ্ট হইয়া প্রভুকে করেন স্তুতি চরণে ধরিয়া।
Upon hearing the governor's submissive statement, the Mahapatra was overwhelmed with joy. He clasped the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and began to offer the following prayers. C.C. Madhya 16.184.
ভগবান নাম শ্রবণ ফলেই অন্তজেরও সুচিত্ত লাভ। চণ্ডাল পবিত্র যার শ্রীনাম শ্রবণে হেন তোমার এই জীব পাইল দর্শনে।
Simply by hearing your holy name, a Chandala, the lowest of men, can be purified. Now, this conditioned soul has received your personal interview. C.C. Madhya 16.185.
ভগবত দর্শন ফলে মুসলিমের উদ্ধার তত বেশি বিস্ময়কর নহে। ইহার যে এই গতি ইথে কি বিস্ময়, তোমার চরণ প্রভাব এই মতো হয়।
It is not wonder that this Muslim governor has attained such result. Simply by seeing you, all this is possible. C.C. Madhya 16.186.
ভগবান নামের শ্রবণ কীর্তন বা স্মরণেই অন্তজেরও শুদ্ধি। সাক্ষাৎ দর্শনে তো কথাই নেই। শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতে 3:33-6। জন্নামধেয় শ্রবণানুকীর্তনাদ যৎপ্রহন্নাদ যস্মরণাদপি কশ্চিৎ সদ্যপি সদ্য শ্রবণায় কল্পতে কুতঃ পুনস্ত ভগবান্নু দর্শনাৎ।
To say nothing of the spiritual advancements of persons who see the Supreme Person face to face, even a person born in a family of dog eaters becomes immediately eligible to perform Vedic sacrifices if he once utters the holy name of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or chants about him, hears about his pastimes, offers him obeisances, or even remembers him. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. This is a quotation from Srimad Bhagavatam 3.33.6. According to this verse, it does not matter what position a person holds. One may be the lowest of the low, a Chandala or dog eater, but if he takes to chanting and hearing the holy name of the Lord, he is immediately eligible to perform Vedic sacrifices. This is especially true in this age of Kali. Harir Nama, Harir Namaiva Kevalam, Kalau Nastyeva Katiranyata. Brihan Naradiya Purana 13.126. In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, the only means of deliverance is the chanting of the holy names of the Lord. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. A person born in a Brahmana family cannot perform Vedic sacrifices until he is properly purified and has attained his sacred thread. However, according to the present verse of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, quoted from Srimad Bhagavatam, it is understood that even a low-born person can immediately perform sacrifices if he sincerely chants and hears the holy name of the Lord. Sometimes envious people ask how Europeans and Americans in this Krishna consciousness movement can become Brahmanas and perform sacrifices. They do not know that the Europeans and Americans have already been purified by chanting the holy name of the Lord.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, this is the proof. One may be born in a family of dog eaters, but he can perform sacrifices simply by chanting the Maha Mantra. Those who find fault in the Western Vaishnavas should consider this statement from Srimad Bhagavatam and the commentary on this verse by Srila Jiva Goswami. In this regard, Srila Jiva Goswami has stated that to become a Brahmana, one has to wait for purification and undergo the sacred thread ceremony. But a chanter of the holy name does not have to wait for the sacred thread ceremony. We do not allow devotees to perform sacrifices until they are properly initiated in the sacred thread ceremony. Yet, according to this verse, an offenseless chanter of the holy name is already fit to perform a fire ceremony, even though he is not doubly initiated by the sacred thread ceremony. This is the verdict of Devahuti, the mother of Lord Kapil Dev, when he was instructing her in pure Sankhya philosophy.
So, such is the power of chanting the holy name.
So such is the power of the chanting of the holy name,
Immediately one becomes qualified
that immediately one becomes qualified
and can
and can
perform all types of Vedic rituals.
perform all types of Vedic rituals.
It's not necessary for one, according to this verse,
It is not necessary for one, according to this verse,
if they are chanting the holy name,
if they are chanting the holy names,
to take the sacred thread ceremony.
to take the sacred thread ceremony.
Devahuti Devi
Devahuti Devi
I realized this and the verse given in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
have realized this in this verse given in the Srimad Bhagavatam. CC Madhya 16.187.
মুসলিম শাসককে কৃপাপূর্বক কৃষ্ণ নাম গ্রহণে আদেশ। তবে মহাপ্রভু তারে কৃপা দৃষ্টি করি আশ্বাসিয়া কহে তুমি কহ কৃষ্ণ হরি।
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then glanced with mercy at the Muslim governor. Giving him assurance, he asked him to chant the holy names Krishna
And Hari!
Hari. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. It is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy that he advises everyone, even Chandalas, Mlechas and Yavanas, to chant the holy name of the Lord. In other words, one who has taken to the chanting the holy names Krishna and Hari has already received Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. The Lord's request to chant the holy name of Krishna is now extended to everyone in the world through the Krishna consciousness movement. Whoever follows Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instructions will certainly be purified, and one who sincerely chants the holy name offenselessly is already more than a Brahmana. Unfortunately, there are many fools and rascals in India who do not allow Western Vaishnavas to enter certain temples. Such rascals do not clearly understand the Vedas. As stated previously, Yan nama deya shravananu kirtanat savanaya kalpate.
The Divine Grace and the A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
was uplifting everyone around the world
was uplifting everyone throughout the world
by giving them the chanting of the holy name.
by giving them the chanting of the holy name.
One may be born in a Lasha, a Yavana, or Chandala family.
One may be born in a Mlecha, Yavana, or a Chandala family.
One may be of any gender, any background.
One may be of any gender or any background.
but the will and the mercy of Lord Chaitanya,
but by the will and the mercy of Lord Chaitanya,
one can chant the holy name.
how can one chant the holy name
And thus be purified.
and thus be purified? CC Madhya 16.188.
ম্লেচ্ছ শাসকের পাপ মোচন ও প্রভুর সেবা যাঞ্চা। সেই সেই কহে মোরে যদি কইলা অঙ্গীকার, এক আজ্ঞা দেহ সেবা করি যে তোমার।
The Muslim governor then said, "Since you have so kindly accepted me, please give me some order so that I can render you some service." Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. If one is purified by following Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's order, that is by chanting the holy name of Krishna, one must certainly be eager to render service to the Lord. This is the test. When one engages enthusiastically in the Lord's service, it is to be understood that he is reaping the results of chanting the names of Krishna and Hari. So the Muslim governor was eager to render service.
It's the symptom of his receiving the mercy of Lord Chaitanya.
This is the symptom of him. He is receiving the mercy of Lord Chaitanya. CC Madhya 16.189.
গো ব্রাহ্মণ বৈষ্ণবে হিংসা করেছি অপার, সেই পাপ হইতে মোর হউক নিস্তার।
The Muslim governor then prayed for liberation from the unlimited sinful reactions he had previously incurred by being envious of Brahmanas and Vaishnavas and killing cows. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. By chanting the holy name of Krishna and Hari, one is certainly liberated from the reactions to such sinful activities as killing cows or insulting Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. It is most sinful to kill cows and insult Brahmanas and Vaishnavas. The karma incurred by such activity is very great, but one can immediately nullify all this karma by surrendering to Lord Krishna and chanting his holy name. After being released from one's sinful reaction, karma, one becomes eager to serve the Lord. This is the test. Since the Muslim governor was immediately purified in the presence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he could utter the names of Krishna and Hari. Consequently, he was eager to render some service. And the Lord, eager to fulfill his desires, immediately had the devotee Mukunda Datta inform the governor that there was some service to render. CC Madhya 16.190.
লৌকিক লীলা অভিনয়কারী প্রভুর জন্য মুকুন্দের যাত্রাপথে সহায়তা প্রদান। তবে মুকুন্দ দত্ত কহে শুন মহাশয়, গঙ্গা তীর যাইতে মহাপ্রভুর মন হয়।
Mukunda Datta then told the Muslim governor, "My dear sir, please hear. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wishes to go to the bank of the Ganges." CC Madhya 16.191.
তাহা যাইতে কর তুমি সহায় সহায় প্রকার, এই বড় আজ্ঞা এই বড় উপকার।
Please give him all assistance so that he can go there. This is your first great order, and if you can comply, you will render a great service. CC Madhya 16.192.
ম্লেচ্ছ শাসকের শিকার ও সদৈন্যে সকলকে প্রণামান্তে বিদায় গ্রহণ। তবে সেই মহাপ্রভুর চরণ বন্দিয়া, সবার চরণ বন্দি চলে হৃষ্ট হইয়া।
After this, the Muslim governor offered prayers to the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as well as to the lotus feet of all his devotees. After that, the governor departed. Indeed, he was very pleased. CC Madhya 16.193
রাজ কর্মচারীর সহিত তাহার মিলন ও বন্ধুত্ব। মহাপাত্র তার শনে কইল কোলাকুলি, অনেক সামগ্রী দিয়া করিল মিতালি।
Before the governor left, the Mahapatra embraced him and offered him many gifts. He thus established a friendship with him. CC Madhya 16.194
We see that the Muslim governor
We see that the Muslim governor
was satisfied by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
he was satisfied by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
and he was accepted by his devotees,
and he was accepted by his devotees,
by Lord Chaitanya's devotees.
by Lord Chaitanya's devotees,
And Mahapatra also embraced him and gave him gifts,
and the Mahapatra also embraced him and gave him gifts,
establishing a friendly relationship.
establishing a friendly relationship.
So these are all very auspicious signs.
So these are all very auspicious signs. CC Madhya 16.194
ম্লেচ্ছ কর্তৃক প্রাতে প্রভুর যাত্রা সহায়তা বিধান, প্রভুকে সগৌরবে আহ্বান। প্রাতকালে সেই বহু নৌকা সাজাইয়া, প্রভুকে আনিতে দিল বিশ্বাস পাঠাইয়া।
The next morning, the governor sent his secretary with many nicely decorated boats to bring Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to the other side of the river. CC Madhya 16.195
রাজকর্মচারীর সঙ্গে প্রভুর গমন ও ম্লেচ্ছের প্রভুর বন্দন। মহাপাত্র চলিয়াইলা মহাপ্রভুর শনে, ম্লেচ্ছ আসি কইল প্রভুর চরণ বন্দনে।
The Mahapatra crossed the river with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and when they reached the other shore, the Muslim governor personally received the Lord and worshipped his lotus feet. CC Madhya 16.196
সর্বসুবিধা বিশিষ্ট করিয়া একটি নতুন নৌকা প্রদান। এক নবীন নৌকা তার মধ্যে ঘর, সগনে চড়াইলা প্রভু তাহার উপর।
One of the boats had been newly constructed, and it had a room in the middle. It was on this boat they put Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates. CC Madhya 16.197
রাজকর্মচারীকে প্রভুর নদীর তটে বিদায় দান, তাহার ক্রন্ধন। মহাপাত্রে মহাপ্রভু করিলা বিদায়, কান্দিতে কান্দিতে সেই তীরে রহে যায়।
Finally, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bid farewell to the Mahapatra. Standing on the river bank, looking at the boat, the Mahapatra began to cry. CC Madhya 16.198
Lord Chaitanya touched the heart of everyone.
Lord Chaitanya touched the heart of everyone.
The Mahapatra, he was also crying and crying.
Even this Mahapatra, he was also crying and crying,
Feeling separation
feeling separation
from the Lord.
from the Lord.
When the governor
The, Mus-
changed,
the Muslim governor was changed
why the presence of why since the Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
since His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada
was empowered by Lord Chaitanya.
was empowered by Lord Chaitanya.
He also had the effect of the people.
he also had the effect
where he went,
wherever he went.
that people became purified and changed
That
just by seeing him.
people became purified and changed just by seeing him. C.C. Madhya 16.98 198.
প্রভু ভক্ত সেই ম্লেচ্ছের প্রভু রক্ষা বিধানপূর্বক মন্ত্রেশ্বর নদ পার হইয়া পিছলন্দা পর্যন্ত গমন। জলদস্যু ভয়ে সেই যবন চলিল, 10 নৌকা ভরি সেই সৈন্য সঙ্গে নিল।
The Muslim governor then personally accompanied Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because of pirates, the governor took 10 boats full of many soldiers. C.C. Madhya 16.199.
মন্ত্রেশ্বর দুষ্ট নদে পার করাইল, পিছলদা পর্যন্ত সেই যবন আইল।
The Muslim governor accompanied Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu past Mantreshwar. This place was very dangerous due to pirates. He took the Lord to a place named Pichlada, which was near Mantreshwar. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The very wide mouth of the Ganges near the present-day Diamond Harbour was called Mantreshwar. Through the Ganges, the boat entered the Roop Narayan river and reached the village of Pichlada. Pichalda and Mantreshwar are located very close together. After passing Mantreshwar, the Muslim governor accompanied the Lord as far as Pichalda.
So the Rupnarayan River is very wide
So the Roop Narayan river is very wide
and merges with the Ganges.
and merges with the Ganges.
And at that point, the Ganges is also very wide.
At that point, the Ganges is also very wide.
So the Muslim governor accompanied the Lord
So the Muslim governor, he accompanied the Lord
out to the place of Pichala.
up to the place of Pichalda. C.C. Madhya 16.200.
পিছলদায় তাহাকে বিদায় দান, তাহার অদ্ভুত আরতি। তারে বিদায় দিল প্রভু সেই গ্রাম হইতে, সেকালে তার প্রেম চেষ্টা না পারি বর্ণিতে।
Finally, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bade the governor farewell. The intense ecstatic love exhibited by the governor cannot be described. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bade farewell to the Muslim governor at Pichalda. Krishnadas Kaviraj herein states that the governor experienced symptoms of ecstatic love due to being separated from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. These symptoms, he admits, cannot be described.
So this governor was so fortunate
So this governor was so fortunate
that he had the personal association of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
that he had the personal association of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
He chanted the holy name.
He chanted the holy name.
He was experiencing ecstatic symptoms.
He was experiencing ecstatic symptoms.
He could offer some personal service.
He could offer some personal service.
He was very fortunate.
He was very fortunate. C.C. Madhya 16.201.
চৈতন্যলীলা শ্রবণকারী এই সার্থক জন্মা, অলৌকিক লীলা করে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য, যেই ইহা শুনে তার জন্ম দেহ ধন্য।
Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes are all uncommon. Whoever listens to his activities becomes glorious and his life becomes perfect.
By hearing about the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya
So by hearing about the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya
and one becomes glorious,
one becomes glorious,
and life becomes perfect.
his life becomes perfect.
This is the blessing given by Krishna Kaviraj.
This is the blessings given by Krishna Das Kaviraj.
For those who hear of the pastimes, activities of Lord Chaitanya.
Whoever hears the pastimes, the activities of Lord Chaitanya.
Haribo.
Hari Bol. Thus ends the chapter entitled The Muslim Governor Chants the Holy Names and Renders Service to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Under the section, The Lord's Attempt to Go to Vrindavan.
Now, it's such a great mercy to hear about the activities of Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
It's such a great mercy to hear about the activities of Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
This gives us unlimited mercy.
This gives us unlimited mercy.
And by hearing how he would change the heart of different people,
So, by hearing how he changed the heart of many people,
our life may become perfect,
our life may become perfect.
and our heart may be also changed.
Our heart may be also changed.
All glories to Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
All glories to Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
Haribo.
Haribo!
Gauranga.
Gauranga! Gauranga! Gauranga!
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.